Hi, Empties, August. I know I'm quite late because of all the advent calendars, yeah. I had 21 products to finish for the rest of the year. Let us see how I did in August. I know that this is, we're well into September and I'm late. It's all the advent calendars' fault, and then I got a cold as well. Anyway, the first product, perfume. Zara Feels at Nightfall. Actually, Zara perfumes are quite underrated. They don't last too long, you would say, the fragrance, that is. Yeah, that's okay, for the price, first of all. Secondly, the quantity that you're getting. Thirdly, a number of high-end perfumes don't last that long either. And these aren't, annoying level strength. They're not, headache-inducing for me, at least. So I would always repurchase Zara perfumes. And the good thing is, they have so many new fragrances coming up all the darn time, that you can rotate. You can have a big wardrobe, and they're good for travel. It's all right if somebody turns up and asks to borrow your perfume, and you're not exactly giving them your Mitsuko or your Le Bleu or one of your more expensive designer or indie niche perfumes. You're actually just letting this. That's okay for daily wear, for travel. For touching up, for night to day. To keep in your bag, even if it's lost, it's all right, or your work drawer. This sort of thing is good. So yeah, would I repurchase? Not the exact same fragrance, something else maybe. Makeup, Ultra Sun Tinted Face Cream SPF 30, people. That is all gone. This is tinted. The problem is that it was too dark for my skin tone. I used it up on the forearms and I looked quite a sight, yeah. Will not be repurchasing because the tint is too deep for me. Other than that, I actually liked Ultra Sun. They need to do, different kinds of tints to sort of suit all. You can see that that's, not exactly my skin tone. There's a very, very pinky undertone as well. Hair color. I know. Manic Panic Pillar Box Red. I don't know if you can tell. Possibly not. I mean, I haven't bleached my hair. That is damaging. Basically, what is this? It's actually a conditioner with some tint to it. That's all it is. And, if you have my level of dark hair, in the sunlight, it's going to show up as slightly pink tinted or pinky hued or maybe a bit auburn as well. When, depending on the angle of the light. In this kind of light, you're not going to see it. But I like it. I think it's fun to use. It's basically a conditioner. And you can leave it on for, a few hours before you wash just rinse it out. And, that's akin to using a shampoo and a conditioner. And it's not going to damage your hair. Doesn't damage your hair, that's the best part. When I begin to go grey, it's not if, it's when I begin to go grey, I'm not going to use any kind of black or brown hair dye. I'm just going to use all the outlandish Manic Panic shades and live very, 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 very edgily. I want to try teal, turquoise, pillar box red definitely, electric pink, fluorescent green, all the outlandish colors. So once I go grey, people, hopefully I will still be here dissing advent calendars. You can see all sorts of outlandish shades. And then you'll think, all right, she's grown quite old and has grayed completely. So will I repurchase? Already have. This and Crazy Color. I think that shade is called Fiery Red or Electric Red or something. I can't remember. Those two are the ones that I keep repurchasing. I haven't opened Crazy Color yet. This is only the second time that I've used it. One bottle lasts 2 times for me. And this one's empty. So next I will be trying out Crazy Color. Lip balm, Skin and Tonic London Naked Lip Balm, all gone. Average, yeah, I prefer Vaseline Lip Care, Lip Therapy ranges, not this, won't be repurchasing. Elf, Wow Brow, cheap as chips, does the job. Tinted eyebrow gel, not bad, will always repurchase. This and NYX, very inexpensive. I used to swear by Benefit Goof Proof. That was, before my finances took a beat during lockdown and I had to scale down. This is good enough. Omorovitsa Acid Fixed, used primarily on the elbows and neck, not on the face. I wouldn't dare to push harsh actives on my face. My skin has become very, very flaky after the vaccination. Don't ask me why. So, will I repurchase? No, this is no product that I had finally used it up. Will not be repurchasing. Serum, Mary and May, Idebenone and Blackberry Complex from Yes Style. Absolutely loved it. Will I repurchase? Yes, yes, and yes. What did it do? Brightened. faded out post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation from acne. Wasn't too harsh on my skin. It wasn't straight up vitamin C, people. So I will repurchase this for that reason. I like it more than the vitamin C serums. Face cream used beneath CeraVe, people. LMS Pro Collagen Marine Cream. Will be keeping this for Advent calendar use, as it were. You know why. We'll be keeping the empty instead of binning it. Also possibly for Nightmare Advent calendar reasons. Did I like it? Yeah, average, not bad. All right. Maybe, you know, when my skin is healthier. Will I repurchase? No, because I prefer CeraVe to this. Right. Under eye cream, Viii Aqualia Thermal Roll-On. Eye roll-on, people. Not good. Sorry. The Sana under eye cream is my favorite. It's a Japanese brand, people, that I buy from Yes Time. That and Sebamed. Q10 eye cream, lifting eye cream are my favorite under eye creams. The rest of them are blah as far as I'm concerned. They do nothing. Two body creams, both from Bath and Body Works. Very summery. Pink Pineapple Sunrise, and the notes are sugar, sweet pink pineapple. Don't ask me what a pink pineapple smells like, please. Palm sugar and sun-drenched nectar. And this one is sparkling orange spritz, which includes sun-kissed mandarin, bubbly prosecco, and citrus soda. Yeah, sun-kissed mandarin. Never mind. Anyway, both these done and dusted. Very summery they were. I preferred this one to Pink Pineapple Sunrise. Will I repurchase? No other fragrances. I will repurchase from Bath and Body Works, but not specifically these two. So that is 11 products that I emptied in August. That leaves me with just 10 products to get through for the rest of this year. And I have September, October, November, and December. 4 months, 10 products. Of course, I'm going to get there. But stay tuned to find out what I am emptying. Do tell me what you are using up in the comments below. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please do hit the subscribe button. Please do ring the notifications bell.